Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Chevy Silverado 1500 in Summit White. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear step bumper, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 4,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, Sirius XM satellite radio, dual zone temperature control, 5.3-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 4032A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.